Hi, how are you? Welcome back to Gamer channel. Today we'll play deeper about the Wi-Fi network. Artificial intelligence (AI) technology has become increasingly important in the modern world due to its numerous applications and benefits, and it is quickly changing how we live our life. Few reasons we need to consider. First of all, to worry about up or date. Next, escape from game to mental exploration. Last but not least, brain training to find solutions systematically and analytically. Let's see what about the entirely world without network. Beginning, no connection between office, people and application. Following worldwide chaos because of the lack of centralized configuration and support. Ultimately, not further technical progress achievement. By the end of the day, design a Wi-Fi network, not a challenge for you. Although you are not professional people, also you no need to be a network specialist with highly expertise, but since you done and able to design a Wi-Fi network at pro level, let me start to play this game at level 1. Start, set up a Wi-Fi printing network using APIPA protocol. As you can see here, wireless printing network with APIPA. They consist of one, two, three, four smartphones, one laptop, and one printer with access point. Let's see how we can do it. Right now, we begin our design at physical mode, and now we are at virtual lab. After finish the furniture setup, the next network device or we choose end device first. As we mentioned earlier, we need to select 4 smartphones, one laptop, so we choose laptop first, printer, and then 4 smartphone. Later on, we back to logical mode. Now time for us to arrange again the components. Since we let one component, so we have to back again physical mode to select the access point, choose network device, and then wireless device, and finally we can choose APPT. And we have to remember this can only put out on the red. Again we back to logical mode. So everything done in fingertip. Smartphone 0, 1, 2, and smartphone 3. Printer, also laptop. Some additional configuration we need to do for printer and laptop. There is this both device need to become a Wi-Fi devices. So the next step, go to printer, physical configuration, switch off device, and remove the RJ45 port, replace with WMP 300M modem for Wi-Fi. Finally, we on again the switch for printer, and now done everything. So we're doing the same thing at laptop 0. Physical, switch off the device, remove Ethernet port, replace with WPC 300M, and lastly switch on again the device. So now you can see that laptop also connected automatically to access point. The final step we need to complete it is set up the APIPA protocol. So let's go to laptop 0, desktop, IP configuration, and set up DHCP. So now the APIPA appear the very 169.254.114.86, and smartphone again to desktop, back to IP configuration, DHCP, and the IP before address through APIPA 169.254.109.138. Again, smartphone 1, doing the same thing, check IP configuration, DHCP, IP address 169.254.103.51. Smartphone 2, desktop, IP configuration, DHCP, IP address 169.254.133.214. And finally, smartphone 3, desktop, IP configuration, DHCP, IP address vary 169.254.43.83. Last and not least, printer, we need to set IP at static. So earlier we know that the last IP address range is 169. 169.25 or .255.254, subnet mask 255.255.0.0 class B, and finish done everything. Now let's test with app simple PDU. First, laptop 0, pin to printer. At the end, we can see the result. Last status successful. Laptop source, destination printer, and using protocol ICMP. The next we do for all others components. Smartphone 0, pin to printer 0, successful. Smartphone 1, pin to printer 0, successful. And then smartphone 2, print to printer 0, also successful. And lastly, smartphone 3, pin to printer 0, successful. It's so easy. Thanks for watching.